In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy J5, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card. So to start off, we will need to turn off the device. We're gonna take out the battery anyway, so might as well do it. And then you can turn the phone around, and on the left side you will have this little place where you can, well, as you can see, put your fingernail and pry it open. Now I already kind of pried it open, so it's not gonna be as difficult on the camera. And once you have it open, you want to push the battery upwards and just pull it out like this. So get it on the side, and then SIM card is the micro SIM, I think, and it's the second in size. You have the big one, then you have the kind of like a middle size, and the tiniest one. Just as a comparison, there are the two of them. As a size comparison, I guess, if I can like hold them both. So there's the smallest one and the middle one, so you need the middle one. And I'm gonna put it on the bottom place here, if I can actually manage to do it. Okay, like so. So once you have it in, just slide it all the way in there, and then the SD card goes in a similar way, basically facing us with the writing. Put it in there and just push it all the way in, and it should not move around, at least not much. So once you have that, you can put the battery back in there, and I'm not gonna be closing it, but if you're planning to use the phone, you should close it. And I'm just gonna turn it back on. Give it a moment for the phone to turn on. And I need to put in the SIM pin number, so do that. As you can see, the SIM card is already working, considering I needed to put a pin for it. And the memory card is working as well, based on that little icon right in the corner. So that is basically how you put in a SIM card and SD card. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.